gonna see if I can make a little bit better one. See, mine is totally off. My air conditioner, heater, whatever is not running. I don't run it because I'm being drugged by human sex traffickers. I don't know why I even locked it. It's worthless. See, that's me. This is me. There's the fan that got compromised. See the one running? It's not mine. That's upstairs. It says 2013. That is not correct. My apartment is 2013. This is mine. It is not running. They put the 2014 number on it, which is upstairs. This is upstairs. Heater, air conditioner, whatever. Air conditioner. 2013 is my apartment. They have these backwards. There, this video is better. I will use this one and delete the other one. Yeah, I gotta clean that yet. Human sex trafficking bitches. Yeah. Yeah. Me. The hell did that? Did that mess up this recording? I don't know. We'll find out. Off. I keep it off.